Hi guys, and welcome to today's trade analysis video for the day. In this video, I'll be talking about the stock what I've observed for the day and how it performed, where I took the entry, exit and everything I'll be showing you in this video. And also, we'll quickly be doing the Nifty 50 analysis as well. But first, let's talk about this trade what I have done for the day. So today, I have traded on Sun Pharma stock. Okay, so this was the trade what I have done according to my study and the strategy without any indicators. Okay, so I follow my strategy and I follow my study and the discipline to execute the daily live trades. Okay, so according to my study and the strategy, this was a short sell around 1695 and it was a buy above 1720 as well. Okay, but first 1695 short sell has triggered for the day, and this was triggered around 10:45 in the morning. Okay, so once it was triggered, my target of short selling side has been achieved. So I kept my target up to 8 points and the low made here is around 1681, so which is almost like close to 10 to 12 points. Okay, so the selling side target was hit. So this is the trade what I've observed and concentrated for the day. But again, if you see, the buy side was also generated around 1720, which I said you. Okay, so around this level the buy was generated, and again the highest point what it has touched is around 1745. So even the buying side the target has achieved, but I follow my discipline and I don't take over trades. Okay, so I just took a short sell entry in the morning, and once I booked 8 points target, I was exited out of this trade. Okay, and again I am observing now that the end of the market chart, and now I can see that even on the buy side, if I've taken the trade would have been hit the profit. But anyway, I don't over trade and I stick to my discipline and in making a consistent profit. So that's why I don't take over trades. Okay, so this was a very simple trade. As you guys can see here, we have traded without any indicators. Okay, so I stick to my discipline and I stick to my trading plan. It's not about getting huge points in one single trade. So every day making consistent profit in a safer way is what we are concentrating on. So yes, I may capture only 8 points, 10 points, 6 points like that, depending on the stock price and depending on the movement of the stock, but it will be consistent. So that is what we are focused upon. So if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in a safer way and want to get all the knowledge and education to make consistent profit, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And also once you join us, you get everyday live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. Okay, and also you can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos what I've uploaded from almost 5 to 7 years plus. I have uploaded a lot of trade analysis video as well. And if you guys wish to make consistent and accurate trades like this, you can join us today and I'll be guiding you my knowledge and education in my best way about how you can make accurate trades, how you can find good stock and how you can find good entries like this. Okay, and now let's talk about the Nifty 50 momentum for the day. So as you guys can see here, today the Nifty 50 opened at 0.32% up. 25,030 is where it has opened, and yes, it has touched one of a new highest point what we can tell. But after that you can see how the market has performed for the day. It was bit of a gap up of opening here, and later you can see the market has been bearish for the day. It has just taken a support around 24975, which has been a support level for the day, and from there it has started going up a little bit and it has closed above 25,000 for the day. So yes, so this is the first time we are seeing a good closing about 25,000, but let's see how the market will perform in next upcoming days. So the new level has been hit, so it's a new fresh high and lot of volatile in the market is happening as of now. So it has been a little bit of a retracement day for the day. So we'll see how it will perform and how the opening will be there for tomorrow. Okay, and today these are how the stocks performed for the day. It was not like a fully bearish day. Some stocks are in a declining side and some stocks are in a gaining side for the day. and HDFC Bank, which was bearish from the last couple of days, now it has got a good momentum for the day. So that was a little bit of a positive news for the day on HDFC Bank. So many people who are trading or holding the trades on HDFC Bank, they are seeing a little bit of a bullish momentum for the day. Okay, so this was the trade what I've done for the day. And if you guys wish to learn from me and want to get the daily live market personal support from me, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.